Hello everyone, BMW of Corpus Christi yet again. Just touching base with you on some of our more basic features on the car that sometimes get overlooked whenever we get involved with automatic parking and driving and all the other neat things that the cars can do, but some of the things that will actually help with you in day-to-day usage of your vehicle. If you look at your programmable keys on your car, in time we would always just put our favorite radio stations there. I found myself every day after I get off of work, I call home and check in with the missus and let her know I'm on the way, and generally have to go back through recent calls or history and just make that call. But it's actually rather simple. So what I'm displaying here is we've actually set up the programmable keys inside the car. I'm not going to push it because it'll disrupt the video, but we actually have it set to 1 to where it'll make the call for us if we want to call back to the dealership. If you have your dealership program there, or your sales associate, or your service advisor, either way you can have that set up there, so you just push that button, reaches them immediately if you have a question or something has come up. The other thing that we're going to click on here is our address. BMW of Corpus Christi can be set in the programmable key. Any one of these 1 through 8, you can set up any address, any phone number, frequent numbers that you use, frequent addresses that you use. On my BMW, we actually have our home address set there, so if we're out of town, obviously we know how to get back home, but maybe we want to know how far out we are. We want to monitor the progress. Maybe there's a better route we didn't know about, so we find ourselves just clicking that to let us know how far away we are from home. Just give us an idea of the actual distance that we're going to go there. One of the next features that I'm going to talk about quickly is the Auto H feature. It is not one of my absolute favorite, but a lot of people seem to like it. So what that will actually do for you is your Auto H feature is an auto hold feature, which will hold your vehicle in place. So let's say you are driving down the road and you're on an incline, on a steep incline. What the Auto H feature will do is actually engage the brake and hold the brake even though you let off of the brake. So what this will do is if you're holding the brake and maybe you don't realize you've been driving for a while and you kind of let off the brake a little bit, in a traditional vehicle, the vehicle is going to start to roll backwards. Well, when the Auto H feature is engaged, it will actually hold that position until you hit the throttle, and you'll feel the brake release. So you don't have to worry about either moving forward or backward. It will hold the vehicle in a stable position for you for safety. Of course, some of the other features that we will get into a little bit later with another video with Chris and I is just talking about your different settings, where the vehicle is really customizable with your sports setting, your comfort setting, Eco Pro setting, adaptive drive, some of the different things that you can really set up. In the new BMWs and most of our cars have these features. If you don't feel 100% comfortable or something feels off in the vehicle, generally it's a setting, and it's something that you can actually go through and really adjust the vehicle to what works best for you. Not so much just living with it and saying I really don't like the way that feels. You can actually adjust that and make it work best for you. So but we'll dive into that a little bit later and give you some more information on that. Thanks for watching.